Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming the inverter AC is in efficient operating condition. Check filters, verify the unit is 3-5 years old or newer, and enable energy-saving mode. Once done, set your thermostat to 24 degrees 26 degrees because small temperature changes save significant power. Make sure to close windows and curtains to reduce cooling load. Turn on ceiling fans to allow a higher thermostat setting. This lowers compressor duty cycle and explains why you'll use less. Next, you optimize runtime and system behavior for efficiency. Switch to sleep or eco mode overnight and program a 1-2 degrees setback to reduce compressor load while you sleep. Once programmed, use the inverter's variable fan instead of fixed high speed because variable operation matches cooling demand and cuts cycles. Make sure to keep vents unobstructed and maintain 18-24 inches clearance around the unit so airflow isn't restricted. This reduces compressor work and explains how it saves electricity over a day. Finally, you put finishing practices in place. Schedule maintenance every 6-12 months to clean coils and check refrigerant levels because a well-tuned system runs less and consumes less power. Once set, monitor power draw for 1-2 weeks and note peak times so you can adjust habits or timers. If the unit shows weak cooling or frost on the coil, stop aggressive settings, check airflow and filters, and call a technician. This is the key troubleshooting tip if savings vanish or performance drops.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.